Yes,
Good.
stay tuned.
Are you guys ready to show us your product? Tell us more about it.
Yes.
Magandang araw. Magandang umaga sa lahat. Magandang hapon kung saan man kayo ngayon. We are from Caguait, Surigao del Sur. Hello everyone. My name is Wilson Irizarry.
And I'm Letty Muran Erisari.
Our company specializes in coconut-based products. The name of our company is Letty's Coconut Products Manufacturing. And its brand name is Letty's Coco. We started our company to become globally competitive in coconut-based products while promoting health, sustainability, and community growth. These are our products: virgin coconut oil, coco cookies, the famous, our favorite, buko pie, buko juice, pure coconut vinegar, and coco pine sauce. During the peak of the pandemic, the Department of Science and Technology shared research on virgin coconut oil suggesting it could help prevent COVID-19 symptoms from getting worse. As demand for VCO grew and supplies ran low in Manila, friends and colleagues reached out to Letty for help, knowing she's a registered chemist with the skills to produce VCO. They asked her to produce VCO and send it to Manila. We were very grateful to have helped some friends recover from COVID-19 symptoms. But coconut has more to offer. In Surigao, large quantities of coconut water go to waste. During copra production, farmers crack open coconuts without collecting the water. Letty and I firmly believe coconut water is one of the purest. Inspired by this, she formulated coco pine sauce made from coconut water and pineapple. Coco pine sauce is a value-added coconut innovation. Letty's Coco promotes value adding to coconut while balancing sustainability and coconut and economic growth. By transforming raw coconut into an innovative product, it enhances market potential, supports local farmers, and reduces waste. This approach ensures a sustainable coconut industry while meeting consumer demand for high quality, all natural products.
Coco pine sauce is 100% natural sauce. It's perfect for barbecue, sushi, and Filipino favorites like adobo, pancit, and more. We believe there is a huge market opportunity for coco pine sauce because of the growth demand for healthy and natural food. The global natural condiments market is expanding as consumers shift toward all natural products.
We offer coco pine sauce to health-conscious individuals, food enthusiasts, home cooks, and eco-conscious consumers through direct-to-consumer sales via online stores and social media platforms. Additionally, we partner with local groceries, restaurants, and resorts seeking premium sauce options.
So we invite investors, partners, and retailers to join us in bringing Coco Pine sauce to household, not just to the kusina or the kitchen of every Filipino family, but to the kitchen and the tables worldwide. Lettuce Coco,
Let us go for
the
the pure
pure
taste
taste of
of
life.
life. Back to you, Celeste.
Wow.